Firstly, I'd like to say that I am not getting married. I am not engaged. I think that was said as a joke. For me, the bigger shock was the romance between me and Karina, which is yet to come.
The principal cast of Dhoom 3 graced the press conference of their film at Mumbai's YRF Studios. Have a look.
धूम हो तो अच्छी बात है और ना हो तो इसका जवाब नहीं दे पाऊंगा क्योंकि हमेशा से मेरी ज़िंदगी में धूम 1, धूम 2, अभी धूम 3 रही है, तो धूम तो हमेशा मची है मेरे जीवन में।
धूम नहीं है तो फिर मज़ा नहीं है ज़िंदगी में। थोड़ी बहुत मस्ती धूम होना चाहिए हर आदमी की ज़िंदगी में, और धूम है तो क्या जवाब है?
मेरे लिए धूम कुछ और मायने रखती हैं। जब धूम है तो मैं एक्टर हूँ, जब धूम नहीं है तो मैं एक्टर नहीं हूँ।
If there's Dhoom, for me the meaning of Dhoom is dance, and that's what this film has been for me, and I've loved it, and it's been the most amazing experience to be able to do these kind of songs.
जब ये सब है और आप सब लोग हैं तो काफ़ी धूम है, और उम्मीद ये है कि कुछ ना कुछ धूम हमेशा मचती रहेगी regular intervals पे।
Firstly, I'd like to say that I am not getting married. I am not engaged. I think that was said as a joke. Karina and Ranbir are cousins, so everyone knows when you go on Coffee with Karan, you're meant to pull the other person's leg. You must have seen in so many previous episodes, people are saying, things about one another, and I don't think they're serious. I mean, these things are said in jest.
Did it take you by surprise?
It didn't take me by surprise, because I'll tell you what happened. Maybe weeks ago, I think it had also come in the media, all of us were at Karan's house. We were just having a dinner, an evening out. And Karina was talking about going on the show, and she told me that I'm going to, purposely say these things, and I'm going to pull everyone's leg. And she said, do you mind? I said, I have no problems with it. I thought it was very funny. And everyone keeps asking me, apparently Karina says if she has to kiss somebody, it's going to be me. So that was the bigger shock. I don't know about the marriage part, but for me the bigger shock was the romance between me and Karina, which is yet to come.
मैं एक्चुअली यशराज से घर लौट रहा था एक दिन गाड़ी में, और सलमान का कुछ टेक्स्ट आया, तो मैंने उसको दोबारा टेक्स्ट किया। मैंने बोला, यार मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है, मैं टोपी भेज रहा हूँ मेरी, तो किसी इवेंट में पहन लेना, थोड़ी हमारी हेल्प हो जाएगी। तो उसने बोला टोपी भेज दे। अब मुझे अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि वो इवेंट में नहीं, वो बिग बॉस पे पहनने वाला है। आई हैड नो आइडिया दैट ही इज़ गोना डू दैट। आई थिंक दैट शोज़ हिज जेनरोसिटी ऑफ स्पिरिट एंड हिज वार्मथ एंड लव फॉर मी, कि धूम 3 उसकी फिल्म नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है हमारी मदद करने की, to promote the film, and I love him for that. I love him for that.
कॉफी विद करण का एक नया टीजर आउट हुआ है, जहाँ पे अगले हफ्ते आप और किरण जाने वाली है, तो वहाँ पे आपने कहा कि रणबीर को तो मैं देख लूंगा, क्या सही में देख लेंगे?
उसके लिए आप शो देखिए, तब आपको समझ में आएगा क्यों मैंने ऐसा कहा।
Recent event, Shahrukh said that you are one of the finest actors our country has seen. And he also made a statement that, he's ready to act in action films as an anti-hero. And if offered the sequel of Dhoom, he wouldn't mind doing it. So what do you have to say? Do you see him as good as you as an anti-hero in the sequel of Dhoom?
Well, I think that's extremely warm and generous of Shahrukh to say that. And I also have very high regard for his work. I think he's a wonderful actor. And of course, I mean, the next Dhoom that is made, if Adi feels that Shahrukh is the right actor for that, of course he should do that.
I would not call them villains, I'd call them co-stars. I've enjoyed working with all of them. John और ऋतिक मेरे contemporaries हैं, मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं. आमिर हमारे senior हैं. I can't say he's my buddy. That will be incorrect of me. There's a lot more respect and awe when he's concerned. But I've enjoyed working with all of them. इनके साथ काम करके बहुत कुछ सीखा है मैंने, हम सब ने, और बहुत ही मज़ा आया इनके साथ काम करते हुए. But I think it'll be unfair for me to choose just one.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.